My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted extension that is called DisLight. The website that is related to it is DisLight.xyz. DisLight extension is currently promoted through fake browser update alerts. Some people may suddenly see these strange pop-ups attacking their Google Chrome browser. The pop-up could mention that people need to install some update, but that information is absolutely faulty. This DisLight extension is advertised by its authors as some helpful tool that provides dark mode for simple pages. In reality, this extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts displaying the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. These ads are dangerous and may point you to many shady and deceptive pages in the internet. If this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, this is what you should do. Go to the menu, More Tools, then choose Extensions. If you find this extension as active, disable and remove the extension. That should be sufficient enough. But I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.